So here we have our audience. And the kitchen cabinet and granite guys finished their work. That all turned out real nice. We have the hood vent, that functions great. All the lighting turned out real nice. We have our dining light at the perfect location. That's an up-down light. And then we have our Art Deco lights for future art. We have our wall sconces. Those are controlled over here. Turn that on. All the switches are Wi-Fi switches. And then we have banks that are not directly connected to any lights, but they can interface with any of the lights through the other Wi-Fi switches. So all that's programmable. And then, let's see, we all have Wolf appliances, just waiting on the front cover for that. Subzero fridge, wine cooling fridge. Nice, tall pantry cabinets. And here we have the Subzero fridge with the panels on them. That turned out real nice. Another nice feature here is this Kohler system. We have that underneath the sink here. So that is sparkling water, boiling hot water, and chilled water, all in the system. And then there's also an RO system. And so it's a little bit jammed underneath the sink there, but the shutoff for these fridges is underneath the sink. And then the sink and everything also connects through the RO system. Now the granite goes all the way up around the windows. Here we have our glass. And so there should be lighting. Okay, there we go, but I see. Yeah, so here's the lighting, but he needs to change the power source so that it works with the dimmer, or the dimmer needs to change to work with the lighting. But more than likely it's a power source issue, but that's in cabinet lighting. And then there's also under cabinet lighting here and here. And then there's also toe kick lighting. This is the dishwasher. You can't see it, but there it is. You can tell by the light. This is actually a little fridge as well. So a little drink fridge. That's pretty nice to have that there. And then, oh, sorry, this is the dishwasher. This is the dishwasher. And then this is trash. I'd say this kitchen turned out really nice. That's a light sensor. You just go like that and then, oh, it's very nice. That's sweet.